Hey y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I am participating in the Headbangers Tablescape being hosted by Mary with At Home with Mary and her co-host Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Now this is Mary's first collab challenge, and so I want you guys to support her big time. On her channel, she does healthy recipes, she does breakfast, she does lunch, she does healthy snacks, and then she also has a lifestyle where she is taking care of her grandkids and shows her doing her daily duties with them. Also go by Tammy's channel, which is a lifestyle channel. She does glam and bling DIYs. She does tablescapes, which are absolutely gorgeous. She also helps with growing your channel, and she has really good tips. My channel is a lifestyle channel. I do lots of tablescapes. I do some DIYs. I do some home decor, but I do a lot of thrifting. I don't show them, but that's going to be my next phase of my channel, is showing my thrifted items and where I go thrifting. So if you are like those lifestyle type channels, then you have come to the right place. So now, with all of that being said, this is the Headbangers Tablescape. We were to use a scarf or a bandana of our choice and decorate a tablescape around it. So I am going to show you mine. I'm going to stop talking and you guys enjoy. So this is my Headbangers Tablescape. I decided to do it outside. It was sunny and stuff earlier today, but now it's overcast, and I live in Florida, so it could rain, it could not rain. We just play it by ear. So as you can see, I'm using a multitude of colors. I figured I'd give you guys more of a feel of my boho spirit. Again, I call my style boho chic. I'll try anything, but I always tend to come back to colorful, natural, textured type decor. And I found these bandanas actually on Amazon, and it was a lot of 12 of them. They're really big, all different colors. I think it was like $9.99, but they were so pretty because they had so many different colors in them, and if I don't use them for tablescapes again or decoration, I will definitely use them in my hair. But anyway, this is my tablescape. And what I did was I used 4 of those beautiful bandanas as a runner down the middle of the table. And I also used them for napkins. I have wood, I have metal, I have glass, I have ceramic, I have cloth, I have candles, I have fruit. Again, this definitely speaks to my boho chic spirit. The only thing that is new right now are the bandanas. And I guess I should say my pillow for my chairs are new. I'm trying to jazz up my patio. I repainted my table, my thrifted table and chairs black several weeks ago. And then I wanted to find some pillows, but the ones that I wanted, they had run out. So I got these. And they're more tropical, but they're two-sided. They're red, yellow, green, white, and black stripe on one side, and then the same colors but like tropical flowers on the other side. So again, I can use them for all types of situations, but I turned them on the stripe side for right now. The tropical side will be coming to a video near you soon. But anyway, we'll kind of go in and let you see what I got. So I got some ceramic plates and chargers. They have like a flower on them, and they're a plumish color, lack of better words. The placemat is a bamboo woven square with a recessed middle, and the charger plate sits like right in the middle of it. It's worked really well. The napkin rings are wood, also similar to the color of the centerpiece, which is a tangine. And then I have a matching bowl under it that I turned upside down to use as a riser to give it a little more height. And then I put some faux lemons inside the tangine. I also have some wood and metal coasters. I was gonna say, what do you call those things? But anyway, coasters. And then the glasses I also got from the thrift store, and they have some kind of design with some leaves and some, looks like, I guess, supposed to be berries on them. I used some Dollar Tree cacti. The lanterns are metal, and then I have different kinds of different scents of candles, different colors and scents of candles in each one. And there's 2 small ones and 2 large ones. And everything is the same. I generally don't do everything the same, but yep, everything is the same. I wish I was able to do it at night so I could light up the candles, but anyway, this is my Headbangers Tablescape. Thank you, Mary, for inviting us to join you. Congratulations on your first challenge. Thank you, Tammy, for co-hosting with her. If you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you do so. Like, share, comment, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. Please go by and check out the playlist, and also check out Mary's channel, At Home with Mary, and Tammy's channel, Me, Myself, and DIYing It, and my channel, It's Just Me, Robin. You guys take care, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.